Today we're making a low-carb cheese lasagna. We're going to start off by making our zoodles with our veggie peeler. And here I already have a head start. Once we finish making our zoodles, we're going to go ahead and layer some of them on the bottom of the tin. And these are individual size lasagnas. And then we're going to add the sauce of our choice. I'm using vodka sauce because that's the one I like. And then some more zoodles. And then I'm going to sprinkle in some cheese because this is a cheese low carb lasagna. And then some more of our sauce. And some more zucchini ribbons. And you just repeat all the way through. You can add meat or chicken or any vegetables that you'd like in between, or just use another type of vegetable ribbon to make these. Everything works well, but I like the flavor of the zucchini. This is a really good meal, make ahead meal for if you're, trying to not eat junk food, or for lunch idea for your meal throughout the day. Sorry. And I just made a couple of these so I can have for when I need to eat, and I just pop it in the oven and bake it, and I have a nice hot meal. Once you're done layering, you can go ahead and just bake it like this, or you can do what I do and I add some Parmesan cheese on the top and some seasoned breadcrumbs just to give it a little thin crust on the top. If you want to not add that, you can go ahead and do that, and then bake it for 20 minutes at 350, and there you go. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. I upload Monday through Thursday, and as always, thanks for watching. Talk to you next video.